Hello guys.
Today we're going to continue our math online classes. Today's topic is like terms. In algebra, like terms, like in Spanish, they are called términos semejantes. Son términos iguales. That means that they are the same. How are they the same? You have to check the literal part, the numbers. In red are the same letter and the same exponent. Same letter, same exponent. All right, so the only thing I have to do is adding. It means adding. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. 12 x to the cube plus, since I am adding, the y. 3 plus 2 makes 5. 5y. And the only thing it's reminding is for x to the square, it doesn't have any like number. And that's it. This is adding. Now, in this other example, if you see in red, these are like terms because they have the same letter, not the same number. That means 6 plus 3 equals 9b plus. How about the green one? Because they are squared, the same. So 6 plus 2 equals 8b to the square plus. Oh, these are the same color. 4 plus 3 equals 7 and b to the cube. So that's the way I can add like terms. Like terms depend on the exponent, so you can see the difference. B is not the same that b is square or b to the cube. So you have to be very careful. Now, if you have parentheses, that means by the distributive property, they can be multiplied. This will be 2 to the a to the square plus 2 times 2 equals 4 times b plus 2 times 3 is 6, a to the square plus b plus 2a. Now, I can do my research of which are like terms. These are like terms because they are to the square. And b's are like terms too, so that means I can add them. I will add the red ones. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 to the a to the square plus 4 plus, oh, here it's supposed to be 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5b. And I finished. That's it. I cannot add them because they are different. This is the way when you can add. And what is the difference with subtraction? Now we're going to do subtraction. Subtraction. In subtraction, what we do, let's imagine this is negative. And this is also negative. Okay? Now, let's find out how can we do it. Okay? Let's think that this is 15. Okay, so I can subtract 15 minus 7, it's going to be 8. 8x to the cube. Okay, so these guys are subtracted. And I will have to subtract this 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, so I put the sign of the biggest, which will be 1y. And 4 to the square stays the same. So that's the way we can do the subtraction. Now, let's do another example. Let's imagine that this is negative, and this is also negative, and this is also a negative term. Okay, let's solve it. Okay, 6 minus 3 is 3b. Positive 6 minus 2, it's gonna be 4b to the square. And these guys, 4 minus 3 is going to be 1 plus 1, and I don't write the 1, so that's the way I add it. Okay, very simple. All right, let's do another example. Let's imagine that this is negative. Remember, it could be at the beginning or could be at the end. All right, so let's see the differences. Negative 2 and positive 2, they are cancelled out. That's 0. So what's left? It's only 6a to the square. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3b. All right. So you have to be very careful that every term has its sign. Again, the law of signs says equal signs add. Different signs subtract. Okay. Well, I hope you understood. It's not difficult, it's very simple. And math is not difficult, it's just tricky. Bye.